Meta Business Suite Setup, the complete guide for 2023. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and tap that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now I am going to show you how to set up your Meta Business Suite, but of course we need to have an account for it, or a business Facebook account. So you can just actually go to the Meta Business Manager and type in your business name and also your name. You can also type in your business email here and submit, and in this way you can create your account. And if you have created your account, we can now proceed to our video. So let's say we have created our account. So we have here our Meta Business Suite homepage. So as you can see, I have here my Meta Business page with a name on it, and also I have the necessary tools for managing it. So if you have a account already, just type in your browser business.facebook.com and you will be redirected here on this page, as you will also log in your business page. But if you have already logged in, you can also choose here and you may see this Facebook page. So that's it for our intro video. Let's get to the tutorial. So make sure to watch all the way in this video tutorial and don't miss a thing by watching until the end. So let's start. So we have here our Meta Business Suite. Okay, so we have here the home page. As you can see in the home page, I have my name and the to-do list and also my content. I can see it from here. So if you have a content, you can manage it directly by clicking on it in this section. And also if you want to run ads for your business page, you can by requesting it by clicking it in this section. So let us explore all the tools here in the left hand side. So let's go first to the notifications. So if your business page has been running for some time now, you would see some notifications, and then you can also interact with these notifications if you want by clicking on it. So as you can see, I have some people that are trying to or have been interacting with my business page. So if you have more notifications, then this is a good sign for your business. And then if you are on a business page, of course some of your customers may want to contact you through this inbox tool. So you can access the inbox tool on the left side corner as well, and you can check the messages that are coming into your business page. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see the option content. As you can see here, the engagements, the likes, the comments, and the reach of every post that you have posted in your business page. And what you would do next is to click on the stories options, and in the stories options you can see here that there are no stories for me yet, and also you can see there the archived ones, and you can actually connect your Instagram account. So if you want, you just click on the connect account and this will directly connect your account on Instagram. And then here you can plan your schedules in the planner tool, and stories and posts you can plan it with your team. So this is a perfect tool for collaboration, since some of the business are actually managed by many people. So if you have employers or workers, you can give them access to the business page in which they can manage schedules, in which you can see as well for better collaboration and more efficient collaboration. So let's explore more of our Meta Business Suite. So to set this up, you may go to the settings icon at the bottom left here. So if you tap on that, you will be redirected here. So since I have two accounts, I will choose this one. If you tap on that, you will be prompted with a message like that and go to view page. So you have a lot of settings that you can explore right here. Sample for the link accounts, you can have your Instagram connected and also your WhatsApp account. So if you would decide to connect all of this, just connect if you want. there is no problem with that. And then if you go here, so it is like a Facebook privacy, so you can just set the things on who can access your page, who can manage, or who can as well interact with your page. So the general purpose of this privacy tool is like that. So you can also see here the blockings. You can block certain people, and you can also block types of people from interacting to your business page. So this will be a great help for your page. And if we go back here, we can view the page again, and then what we would do is go to new business experiences, and in this section you can see the people that have access to my page. So I am here with my two buddies right here. We can access the page, and you can also add more people by clicking on this invite button. So you can invite a lot of people to manage and have access to the page. And if we scroll down, you can see a lot of options here on who can manage your page. So let us go to this part, and in this part we have a lot more settings to set up. So you can go to this settings part if you type in business.facebook.com/settings. So if you go to the people here, you can see that I am the only people who have full access. So you can just click on add people if you want to add more people that can manage and access your business page. And go to pages. If you want to connect some pages here to your business page, you can. So you have three options right here. First is this one, is to add a page. So you can type in the name or the URL of the page that you want to add. And if we explore the other option, this is to access a page that have other admins. So you can have a collaboration if the admin have accepted the request. And also you can add a newly formed page in here. So it is very easy, and you can also add assets here to your Facebook business page. So just go to the assets section and click on assets. So I have here an example of my assets. So this is a pixel, so it is titled dead pixel. Just click on it and click on save. So this will add to your Facebook business page as a pixel. So that is the very end of our tutorial on how to set up your Meta Business Suite. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and you can do and set up your own business page on our Facebook Meta Business Suite. So if you have any questions, just type it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.